If you're wondering if I'm wearing this royal blue shirt so I can coordinate with the Ikea logo, the answer is yes. Yes, I did that. It's the details, you know? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking all about Ikea organization ideas. There are Ikeas all over the world. That's what I really love about this. So not only is Ikea accessible to a lot of the world, it's also very, very affordable. Now, the thing with Ikea, okay? It's a marathon, not a sprint. You have to go in there prepared. Make sure you've eaten enough. It's an ordeal. And I had to do this video with Carter. That was quite the challenge. Okay.
Toys!
Where?
Oh, Daddy, buy those couches.
Okay, well, we'll go over there, but look. So the way I'm doing today's video is a little bit different than normal. Part one, I'm actually vlogging in the store and showing you items live. What I really like about this is I'm able to show you so much more. And then part two, I'm gonna show you all of the things that I picked up to use in my own house and then show you where I use them, how I'm using them. Hello guys, it's 2 a.m. I'm re-recording this as a voiceover because I realized that Ikea has very loud background music and I would get flagged for copyright. So let's do this. Audio quality will be better anyway. We're gonna start with this side table that caught my eye because it has this great little storage basket on the bottom that's perfect for putting pillows or blankets if you're keeping this in your family room area. All of these items, I'm gonna show you the tag if you wanna screenshot that and see the price. Next up, this cabinet really caught my eye and excited me a lot because of how slim profile this is to the wall. So this is not going to take up a lot of space in an entryway or a hallway. It's perfect for shoe storage or other small items like handbags as you walk in. And this unit is $99 for the 4 cabinet set. This display here was 2 of them put together. They have it as an entryway, which I think it is perfect for. I actually want this for my house. I may come back and get it. They also have this in a wall-mounted version. It's $25 for these 2 sets. And again, this you can use for putting your shoes, handbags, hats, scarves. When you walk in the door, it's not gonna take up any floor space. So I think this is a great storage solution. I was way too excited by these hooks because when they're not in use, they fold up against the wall. They look cool. When you want to use them, you just fold them down. You could hang your purses, dog leashes, hats, jackets, anything on these. But I just thought these were so cool and I love how they look when they're not in use. It just looks nicer on your wall. They have quite a variety of different colors, sizes, and shape trays in Ikea, and you can use a tray to organize anything and it's just gonna make it look a lot nicer. I wanted to point out here this couch. This is the one that we've had for about 4 years. It's held up so well. You could change out the slip covers for it, which I really like, especially having a toddler. And this is the Kivik series. I just wanted to point this out because I get asked about it a lot. Next are these storage bins that are perfect for putting shoes, paperwork, scrapbooking supplies. They stack on top of each other. So here I really like the idea of these racks that hang on the backsplash of your kitchen because this is unutilized space where you can put your dishcloths, you can put hooks on here and also hang your kitchen utensils, spatulas, spoons, things like that. So here Carter is modeling this unit, which is dual purpose. On the top is a seating area, on the bottom there is toy storage. So I love anything that's dual purpose. And over here they have this bunk bed set up, which I like because you can utilize the under the bed space as play space or storage. So this stainless steel utility cart I really like for expanding storage in a small bathroom. You can put really anything on here, your makeup products, your hair supplies, your hair tools, and it's mobile, you can move it around. You guys know how I feel about clear storage containers. These large storage bins here are under $5, so just a great place to come if you're looking for those. Now, this unit I thought was amazing for organizing arts and crafts supplies, kids toys. You can customize the setup here with drawers, the colors, larger drawers or bins. So there's really a lot of options for how you can use this. I want to take a moment to point out that this line, I don't know how to pronounce this, these are my favorite furniture pieces that IKEA has. I just think the quality is amazing, the look of them, they look a lot more expensive than they are, and this is kind of a sample of all the different ones they have in this style, but this is by far my favorite. So this cubby unit is really the quintessential IKEA organization item. I think everybody has these, we have them, but what I saw here that was new, that caught my eye, is it looks like they have new options for how you can use these. You can put the bins, baskets, drawers, or they even have cabinet doors now that you can add to this. So you can really take this one unit and use it in so many different ways around your home. In fact, I have one of these and I'm gonna add these cabinet doors to it. For desk and office organization, they have these pegboards with different modular units that you can put on here to store your office supplies, your paperwork, notebooks like they have displayed here. You could even use this as an art display wall, anything you want. There's just so many options with this pegboard and it's a great price. Here's another sample of how they have it set up in the store. Here's another setup they had with these racks. This is a different style rack, but each of these is only $9. And here they have the pans hanging and the pan lids. You can use it to put plants. Or what I really liked was this display where you could hang your teacups or mugs. And instead of using that space in a cabinet, you could have them out on display. This was a really cool chalkboard unit that had an added layer of functionality with these hooks on the bottom so you could hang aprons or dishcloths, and it looks like it's set up so you could do your meal planning on here, family notes, and this was actually on sale for only $10. So I may come back and pick this up if I could find space for it in my kitchen. This really excited me. They had a whole display set up with bamboo organizers. I love that they're switching over to bamboo. They have drawer dividers and also these in-drawer knife dividers, which I recently showed in my kitchen organization video. Another example of these hanging racks, but these ones are magnetic, so there's even more options here, and they make hanging units on these where you could put clear storage containers, your kitchen utensils. So this little 3-tier tray is designed to be used in the kitchen. I actually would use this in my bedroom to put maybe jewelry, watches, different items when you walk in the door, to have them in one place and nice and sub-grouped out. So these are the gallery picture frame shelves that I have in Carter's room to store all of his children's books. We have so many, and this is a great storage solution. So they have a selection of different clothing racks, and this is a great solution for expanding a small closet. You could take your closet into your bedroom and use it as a display piece, put some of your favorite seasonal items out on display. They also have this coat rack that I use in my closet as a purse hanging rack. I have over 10 purses hanging on this. They have a lot of different options for these hanging storage shelves. They're designed to go in a closet, so you can use these to put sweaters, jeans, jackets, or you can use them how I have them used in my closet for board game storage. And the last thing I'm going to highlight here in the store is this is one of the best places to go to find storage bins. They have different fabrics, colors, patterns, and the price on these is great for the quality. So these are $4 each. If you saw the video where I organized my mom's crazy hoarder room, these are the storage bins that I used because they were the best price and they worked out extremely well. All right, so now we are back from the store, and let me just tell you, that was quite the endeavor because I had Carter with me. He was a trooper. He did his best. We made it. Now I'm going to show you the things that I picked up and how I am planning to use them in my house. First being this. Now this is a silicone ice cube tray, but it has these little compartments in it that I thought would be awesome for organizing my earrings. Right now they're just on one large platter and they get everywhere. I lose them. So this is just a really nice, convenient way to keep my stud earrings together. Now the next thing I picked up for my house are these airtight glass containers. They are very heavy duty and well made, and I think these are perfect for organizing in the pantry. These are $3.99, so really good deal. You can use these in your pantry for putting your dry goods in here, or even out on your countertop as a display. Now this is not organization related necessarily, but I did pick up this baby changing mat. And I'm actually planning on using this as a mat for underneath our arts and crafts activities because this is waterproof and washable. And we're doing a lot of crafting here in this household. Carter's really into it. I picked up this pack of bungee cords because I've never actually done any organizing with bungee cords, and the possibilities, guys, endless really. My vision for this is organizing things in our garage. I want to use these bungee cords to adhere things onto the wall in the garage. So get them off the ground and on the wall because that's dead space. It's so funny when you go in Ikea, like there's some things you don't even know what they are and there's no description, so you kind of just use your imagination. Next thing I picked up was this pack of clips, and these are bag closing clips so you can get them airtight. So chip bags, snack bags, any types of bags you have. And let me tell you, we have a lot of snacks. We are a very snack friendly household. So I picked up this drawer divider organizer that is in bamboo. And I just personally love the look of bamboo. So not only is it a more sustainable material, I think it's more attractive. So win-win. And along with that, I found this other little bamboo drawer set that you really can use anywhere. I'm planning on using this on my bathroom countertop to put some of my everyday makeup products and skincare products. I did pick up a pack of those hooks I showed you while we were in the store. I just couldn't resist these. I think these are amazing. They're functional, but when they're not in use, they look a lot better on your wall than just a regular hook. Now, to go along with that, I got this shower caddy that I'm going to use as Carter's painting arts and crafts caddy. He's getting really into painting and it's so sweet. So I'm gonna put, his paint brushes, different paint colors, all in this. So when we're going around the yard to paint, I have it all set. Now, this is not necessarily organization related, but they did have such a great selection of nice vases, all for around $10 to $15. So I'm going to use these to style our new little console when you walk in. So I will show you what I'm doing over there. Now, this last thing that I picked up from Ikea, it caught my eye because the color I think is beautiful. It is a 3-tier stackable tin organizer. And the truth is, I don't really even know yet what I'm gonna put in here. I thought maybe I would turn it over to you guys and let me know what you think I should put in here or what you would put in here. So let me know in the comments what you would use this for. All right, so that is going to be it between vlogging in the store and showing you ideas there and the things I picked up for my house. I hope you guys got a lot of different ideas and inspiration. I have done one Ikea organization ideas video before. I will have it linked down below if you want even more ideas. And I also did a video of Ikea shopping secrets. There are ways you can save money, you can beat the system. So I definitely recommend that video as well. You should watch that one after this, and I will have it down below. And if you are new here to my channel and you're watching all the way to this point in the video, just take a second and hit that red subscribe button. I would love to have you. I do videos on home, lifestyle, organizing, budget-related videos. So thank you as always so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye. We found some buttons for Carter. How do you feel? Do you feel mad, not happy, kind of happy, or very happy?
I'm happy. They both feel happy.
Yeah, those two are happy. What about the red one? How does that one feel?
He's sad.
He's sad. I wonder what he's sad about.
He's sad about his dad.
He's sad about his dad? Why?
Because he leaves.
Oh, his dad left?
Yeah.
And he's sad?
Yeah.
Oh.